Hello, grade 7. We are going to continue our chapter about prime numbers and the prime factorization. As you can see that the prime factorization of 36, it is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. 36 can be written as 4 times 9. 4, it is a composite number, and 9 also, it is a composite number. 4 can be written as 2 times 2. And 9 can be written as a 3 times a 3. Let's see if you have a number that is like 1092. In case of this number, as you can see that it is a big number, 1092, it is a big number. Looking to the ones digit, that is 2. يعني هيدا الرقم إذا جينا طلعنا على آخره بنلاحظ إنه هو بينتهي ب 2. So this number, it is divisible by 2. It's mean the remainder of the division by 2 is equal to 0. يعني نحن هيدا فينا نكتبه as 2 times a number. So we perform the division of 1092 by 2 and we get 546. 2, it is a prime number. So we are going to circle 2 because it is a prime number. 546, the ones digit, it is 6. So also this number, it is divisible by 2. And also it is divisible by 3 since the sum of its digit, let's see why. I'm going to make a fast recall for you about that 5 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. So 15. Now, the sum of the digits is equal to 15. بعد لهلا ما فيني أعرف أنا شو بدي أعمل بال1 وال5. I need to add 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Since the sum of the digits of 546 is 6, so it means that this number, it is divisible by 3. So now let's divide this number by 3. Dividing it by 3, we get 182. Now, looking to the ones digit of 182, it is 2, so it is divisible by 2. So 3 is a prime number. We are going to circle it. Now we are going to divide by 2. 2 is a prime number. We are going to circle the number 2. And performing the division is equal to 91. Look to the number 91. 91, it's not divisible by 2. It's not divisible by 3. Why? Let's check why it's not divisible by 3. If I need to make like 9 plus 1, so it's equal to 10. Now let's add 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Since the sum of the digit, it's not 3, neither 6, neither 9. So this number, it's not divisible by 3 also. Let's try if this number is divisible by 5. Look to the ones digit. The ones digit, it is 1. So this number, it's not divisible by 5. And it's not divisible by 4 because 91, it's not in the table of 4. And it's not divisible by 9 because the sum of its digits is 1. It's not 9. And let's try to check if it is divisible by 7. 7 is a prime number. So we divide it by 7 and we get 13. 7 and 13, they are prime numbers. So therefore, the factors or 1092 can be written as a product of prime numbers that they are 2 times 3 times 2 times 7 times 13. Or we can write it by another way by writing it as 1092. Let's check the smallest number. It is 2. How many times is repeated the number 2? Look here, you have 1, 2. So we are going to write it 2 to the power 2 times. How many? You have the number 3. You have it for once. So times 3. How many you have number 7? Look here, you have it for once. عندك هي مرة واحدة. So like 7 to the power 1 times. How many times you have number 13? You have it for once. So it can be written as 2 to the power 2 times 3 times 7 times 13. So this way to write the number, it is the prime factorization of this number. Now, let's take another example also, like 120. 120, it is a number, look here to the ones digit, ends with 0, so it can be divisible by 2. So therefore, we divide it by 2. 2 is a prime number, so we get 60. So we are going to underline the 2 because 2, it is a prime number. Also 60 looks to the ones digit. You have it is divisible by 2 since the ones digit is 0. 2 is a prime number also. We get 30. 30 also ends by 0, so we can divide it by 2. So it will be 15. 15, it's not divisible by 2 because the ones digit is 5. So let's add the digits. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. The sum of its digit is 6, so therefore we can divide it by 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. 3 is a prime number and 5 is a prime number. So 120, the prime factorization of 120 is 2 to the power. How many times it is repeated? 2. Look here. 1, 2, 3 times. So we have 2 to the power 3 times 3. It is repeated for once, and 5, it is repeated for once.